connect railway cars together and allow them to be safely joined and pulled as a single train. They use a mechanical locking system, often with a hook or knuckle design that automatically latches when two cars are pushed together. Many couplers also include air hose and electrical connections for braking systems and communicates between cars. The design ensures that cars can be connected